name is Eléana. I'm 24, I live in Toulouse, and I'm an application maintenance engineer at TSplus. My job is to develop new functionalities according to customers' needs. On top of that, my goal is also to improve ergonomics and user experience, because it's really important for us that our products are easy and pleasant to use. I've only been working here for less than a month, but it's already a great experience for me. Despite working from home, I felt really welcome in the team. Everybody has been friendly, available, and eager to share their expertise with me, so I've already learned a lot. I look forward to exchange with more colleagues and help making this product even better. Thank you for watching. Bye.